Here I am introducing the ingredients for making chicken jalfraize. I took here 2 kilo of cut and cleaned chicken pieces and a 400 gram of chopped bell pepper with a different color, capsicum. Here I took 3 to 4 tablespoons of light soya sauce. I took around 30 grams of lengthwise cut green chilli. Here I have 300 gram of blended fresh tomato and 200 gram of celery stick. This is not a must, just I have in my stock, that's why to increase the chicken and quantity, curry quantity, I'm just adding celery. If you don't have, no need it, you can avoid it. This is 250 grams of sliced onion, diced onion. And for cooking purpose, here I have 75 ml of vegetable oil, cooking oil. Now the powder parts. Here I took a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 tablespoons of Garam Masala and 1 tablespoon of hot chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder or paprika powder for getting color. Now half teaspoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I have 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. These are the basic ingredients to make a chicken jalfraize. Along with this crushed grind fresh tomato, if you want you can add maybe a 30 ml of tomato sauce also in it for getting a good color and a taste. Now I will show you the third step of chicken jalfraize, how to cooking this. See, this bell pepper, this diced onion and this diced celery stick, you can saute in this while you started cooking in the wok. Now I have a fryer with me, that's why I am just going to cook this 3 of item to in a half cooking bell pepper and onion and celery sticks. I will go to do half fry in the oil, then I can do the preparation part fast. That's the way it works. Thank you for your patience. Now I am beginning the third step of my chicken jalfraize cooking part, adding the oil into the pot. Now the oil is hot. I am adding the cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds little brown, I am adding a continental soup spoon, 1 and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now the ginger garlic paste is already cooked. Adding the tomato, grind tomato. Almost 5 minutes I cooked the grind tomato. Now I am adding the green chilli After that, the salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, jeera powder, garam masala, hot chilli powder, Kashmiri chilli, for paprika powder for getting good color and a look. Now vinegar, when I add all the powders, spices and the tomato, put the tomato puree, the gravy becomes thick. Along with that, I am adding 1 cup of water, adding the soya sauce. Now the chicken pieces for to cook maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And few more water will come out from the chicken pieces. That's why this consistency is quite okay for the chicken. I am covering the chicken for 15 minutes to cook. Chicken is ready. This is a broiler chicken. That's why now I am adding the tomato paste for getting a good taste and a color and a good flavor. Finally, the bell pepper, onion and celery. Chicken Jalfraize is ready to go. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe my channel. You can put as a garnish some cilantro, coriander leaves and julienne of ginger. The jalfraize, once it is little cold, it will be more thicker than this, and this is the way this one looks like, chicken jalfraize. Till up to coming with a new episode, Chef Marcus signing off.